Hello, in front of me I've got Endorfy Thock. In this video I'll show you how to remap buttons. To remap buttons on your keyboard, let's go to Endorfy and go to Buttons. Select button you would like to remap and select function for this button. You can select from mouse key, fire key, standard keyboard button, multimedia key, system function, macro function, office key, and extra function. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment, and subscribe.